Have you ever pondered the true essence of a warrior? Is it merely the strength of arms? Or does it encompass something more profound, like the strength of character, resilience, and an unwavering spirit? Today, we delve into the life of a legendary figure whose story embodies all these qualities and more. Baba Shahmal Tomar. Born in the early 19th century, Baba Shahmal Tomar hailed from the Tomar Rajput clan, a lineage renowned for its warriors and rulers. He grew up in the northern plains of India, a region steeped in history and tales of valor. Young Shahmal was no exception, showing signs of bravery and leadership from a tender age. As he transitioned into adulthood, his life took a dramatic turn. The year was 1857, a time of great upheaval in India. The country was in the throes of the First War of Independence against British rule. Baba Shahmal Tomar, now a man of courage and conviction, did not hesitate to join the fight for freedom. Leading a band of Braveheart villagers, he waged a guerrilla war against the British forces. With a deep understanding of the local terrain and an indomitable spirit, Shahmal and his men posed a formidable challenge to the foreign rulers. Despite the advanced weaponry and well-trained army of the British, they could not subdue the fire of rebellion that Shahmal had ignited. However, the path of a warrior is never easy. Baba Shahmal Tomar was captured by the British in 1860. He was subjected to harsh punishment, but his spirit remained unbroken. His determination to resist the foreign rule became a beacon of hope for his fellow countrymen. In a tragic turn of events, Baba Shahmal Tomar was executed by the British in 1863. His death marked the end of a valiant warrior, but gave birth to a legend that continues to inspire generations. The story of Baba Shahmal Tomar is not just a tale of bravery and rebellion. It is a testament to the undying spirit of a true warrior. His life exemplified the values of courage, resilience, and a deep love for his homeland. He may not have lived to see the dawn of India's independence, but his legacy played a crucial role in shaping the country's fight for freedom. Baba Shahmal Tomar's life was a beacon of hope in a time of despair, a symbol of resistance against oppression, and a testament to the true essence of a warrior. His indomitable spirit and unyielding courage continue to inspire and remind us that the strength of a warrior lies not in his arms, but in his heart. His story is a timeless reminder of the power of resilience, the importance of standing up for what you believe in, and the true meaning of being a warrior.